In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage recurring transactions in QuickBooks with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or new to the platform, this process will simplify your accounting tasks, saving you time and effort. Let's begin by navigating to the QuickBooks login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the homepage interface. Now, let's focus our attention on the gear icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. This small icon is your gateway to various settings and customization options. Upon clicking the gear icon, look for the Lists section. In this section, you'll find Recurring Transactions, a crucial tool for managing your business's financial routines. Click on it, and you will be taken to a page displaying all your existing recurring transactions. This list provides a handy overview of your financial commitments and automates regular processes. To add a new recurring transaction, locate and click the New button. This will prompt you to select a transaction type. Depending on your needs, whether it's an invoice, bill, or otherwise, choose the appropriate transaction type from the list provided. Once selected, click OK to proceed. Next, let's set a unique name for your recurring transaction under Template Name. Naming your templates appropriately will help you easily identify and manage them later. Moving forward, you'll need to choose the type of transaction. Here, you can decide whether it's a reminder, an unscheduled transaction, or something that automatically adds to your records. Setting alerts can be crucial in managing deadlines effectively. To do this, you can specify the number of days in advance to get alerted before a transaction deadline. This proactive step can prevent late fees and ensure smooth financial operations. Then select your supplier from the drop-down list, which will link your recurring transaction to the relevant party. Now let's set the interval, determining how frequently this transaction will occur. You'll follow this by dialing in the start and end dates for this transaction. These dates help you define precisely when the money flow should start and stop, ensuring that you're in full control. Next, consider adding a supplier's mailing address if necessary, and click on Terms to set the terms and conditions for your transaction, which can include payment terms, refund policy, etc. It's also advantageous to specify a location if needed, which can simplify logistics and compliance. After you're done with this setup, click Checkout to review all added details. Here, you'll find some columns and rows, allowing you to enter and categorize information about your products and services accurately. Select the category, add a description, specify the amount, and set the tax status for each line item. This step ensures every aspect of the transaction is well documented and organized. Finally, make sure the transaction is billable or not by selecting the appropriate option. If applicable, assign it to a specific customer or project. Before completing, decide on the tax inclusion, whether it's exclusive, inclusive, or out of scope. Add any additional details in the memo section and attach relevant documents if needed. To wrap up, click on Save Template. This saves all of your hard work, ensuring your recurring transactions are set up correctly in QuickBooks, aiding in a smoother, efficient financial management process. With this guide, you should be well on your way to automating your transactions seamlessly.